In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change home environment on your Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can customize the home environment and also the skybox that is used on your Oculus Quest headset. This will work with the Oculus Quest 2, of course, but it is also going to be the exact same process on your Oculus Quest 3. So regardless of which headset you have, you can follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. In order to change the home environment, open the settings, so go into the quick settings and then expand the settings view by choosing the option here at the top right corner of the screen. Inside of the main settings, look for environment setup. If you don't see this option or your menu looks different, then look for personalization. So it is either going to be under personalization or environment setup. Simply look between all of the options until you find either of these. Now look for virtual environment. This is where you will be able to change the home for your Oculus Quest headset. Once you go inside of virtual environment, you will see all of the environments here. So you can choose a specific one, and if needed, it's going to be downloaded. So you will see a progress bar, and after it is done, you will see the option to apply the environment that you downloaded, just like this. So it is super simple to do. You just choose them from this list, and then once they are finished being set up and installed, you can apply them. You will see the changes right away, so you don't have to restart or go inside of an app and back out. If you look at the top, you are also going to have custom skybox view. This is going to be the skybox image that appears, so you can change it to a starry night, a day, night, whatever you prefer. Or you can even upload a custom image, so you can look for images using a web browser and then upload them from here. You can reset to the default one, and as long as you choose an environment that is compatible with a skybox, you will be able to use it here if you want to. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.